Welcome to another blogging tutorial. My name's James, and today we're going to be having a look at pages, and specifically all of the cool things that you can do with them. Now, what's the difference between a post and a page? Well, fundamentally, a post appears in a reverse chronological order on your blog, so the latest post appears at the top. A page is like a separate instance of an HTML document. It's a bit like a standard web page, for example. You don't get pages appearing on top of each other, it's not necessarily about the date, and they're often used for things like an about page, or in fact, maybe a contact page. And here, if you click on pages, you can simply edit the existing ones. For example, this about page, where you got the opportunity to edit it there, or indeed quick edit it in this context. And to be honest with you, most blogs will need an about page, so what we recommend you do in this case is to simply, I should have pressed cancel, go in and edit and add some information about yourself. Just take this content here and put in information about me. Maybe you could upload a picture of yourself and click update page and you'll be away. So it's a really good idea to have an about page, and there's no reason that you shouldn't have other pages too. For example, you could have a contact page, and this would contain your contact information. Extremely useful. Remember, always a good idea to add your time zone as well, just in case, if you're adding a particular piece of telephone number or so on. And what you've got then is a series of different pages that appear as such. But what I want to have a look at now is when you put in a page that, let's say, for example, about a particular project, and that this project is important and you want to have a separate page for it, so let's pop in some content there, but you don't actually want it to appear as a main page. It's not like an about page or a contact page. Well, what we want to do with that is we want to go over to our attributes area. And we actually want to say that we just don't want this to be a main page, we want it to be a sub-page. Now, let's make it a sub-page of about. And we want it to have an order of, say, 5. And so what that means is that the higher the order, the higher the number you put in, the lower down it will appear. And we'll publish it there. Now, what that's done is mean that that page is now existing, as you can see, as a sub-page to the about area. So that, on most themes, you only actually get to see these top-level pages appear, and these sub-pages don't appear, even though they're particular pieces of content that you can work with. And it's really that simple to create these different bits of content, these sub-editorial areas of content, and put it together so that you can have a really complex content management system, all in the back end of your blog. I hope that's been useful, and happy blogging. Bye-bye.